we can track child abuse deaths. Okay, there's a research group, arm of UNICEF, Innocenti, based in Milan, Italy, and it issues a variety of league tables of various factors affecting children in rich countries. I first heard about this when Noam Chomsky mentioned child poverty in rich countries, a study. So that was again in the 1990s when I learned a lot. Anyway, so there are about 20 Innocenti reports of childhood circumstances in rich countries. And there's one looking at child abuse deaths in rich countries. And which country do you think has the most child abuse deaths?
Oh, dear.
Yeah. Actually, to be honest, Mexico has a greater number of child abuse deaths, but not much. So I can show you graphs of all of these things. I can point you to the resources. Similarly, when it comes to poverty, we have, again, the most poverty, child poverty we're talking about, of all rich countries. They go on to look at other measures of well-being, educational outcomes, but that child abuse deaths is very sobering. Studies show as well that child abuse is linked to income inequality. So if the gap in income is greater, you get frustrated. And who are you going to take your frustrations out? Suppose you're at paid work and the job and the boss is giving you a pink slip. What are you going to do? Well, you're going to go home and take it out on your partner. What's she or he going to do? Take it out on the kid. What's the kid going to do? Well, there aren't many recourses. You can kick the dog maybe. So to cascade of put down relationships, and the bigger the gap, the more violent the cascade. And a modern day example, to bring it home, are the mass shootings we have in the United States. Yeah. They're no longer big news items. They're there every day. And why do we have so many mass shootings? Well, again, there are studies linking mass shooting defined as 4 or more victims per event. Let's try and make it standardized. Studies have appeared in the last 5-6 years showing that mass shootings are linked to high income inequality at the county level and the presence of high incomes. You need both high inequality and rich people. And then what does a low status person do? Well, you got to take it out on somebody else. So you take your AR-15 and go out there and kill.